Welcome back to the channel, guys, after a decade or so. As the airport was like 2 hours away from the main city, so as soon as we reached there, we had to had our dinner. After that, we reached our hotel. Here you can see me making coffee for my mom. I told her not to have so because it was like, what, 8 or 9 at night, but then she said that she knows best, and then I said okay, and I made some coffee for her. Then because we're all alone and she has a hold of me, she started oiling my hair. But as you can see, I'm not complaining. It was kind of nice. Next morning we had our breakfast, and after that I forced her to come on a walk with me, but she would basically not do so because of this dog outside. But I know at the end she enjoyed. As you can see, she's so happy. After that I came back, took a shower and was getting ready because we had to check out and go to my bhaiya's flat, who had very kindly prepared Thai food at home. I never had Thai food before, but apparently it was his favorite, so we had that. He insisted upon me having that, and thus I insisted him to take me to this cat cafe in the evening, which was not so far away, it was nearby. From my happiness, as you can understand, that this was the prime highlight of my day. And you know what? The bhaiya also enjoyed it by the end. He is the proof. I hope he does not see this video, whatever. So homeless right now. I don't even want to shoot. I just woke up actually, and Bhaiya has already gone to work. Since I did not have much to do, first I got this clover necklace. I also got myself some flowers, and there were so many unique pieces here. Then of course I went to H&M, got some things from there. These are the flowers, by the way. They were so pretty, and you would never believe how much they were. They were just for 200 rupees. Could you imagine that? She's a girl, right? All of this roaming around made me really hungry, and nothing is as good as a hot filled donut, especially when there's just one left. So I had it. That donut was so fucking good. I'm going to get one more. I look so tired. I don't know why. Here's my attempt of taking a cute aesthetic video in the auto. I think it turned out good. And we're finally back. And now I have to attend a meeting for the competition also. But it has been such a nice day. I really enjoyed it. Like, I need to go out. Here we are celebrating my win at this competition, and to celebrate it for real, we went out on a little trip to the mountains. Okay, so we are going through a eucalyptus forest, and all of these are trees, and the leaves and everything. I think this place is known for their eucalyptus products. So basically we'll get some eucalyptus essential oil and stuff like that. This is apparently some kind of beach. We we went to this herbal tea and chocolate factory nearby, and they gave us free samples to try. So, of course, I did. What am I? Then, as we approached the ground floor, they had another big store of assorted chocolates, unique ones in all the flavors. Me and my brother both got to pick two flavors, and then we went to this chai shop. Have you ever heard of Haldi Wali chai? By the way, we got that. After Ooty, we extended for a date and went to Kunnur. Our cottage was like quite far away from the main town, but totally worth it. You'll see why.
अरे भाई कितना अच्छा रूम मयंक एक डॉगी तब से देखो रो रहा है.
Next morning, we woke up, had our breakfast, and just took the view in. It was so beautiful all around, you know. When you stay in the mountains for a few days, you'll just get used to the view and you'll be just like, oh, there's a mountain somewhere. By the way, look at him. He's so cute while sleeping. We were surrounded by factories all around. We took so many products from there, and of course, there was tea everywhere. And then with this very forced photo shoot by my parents, especially my mother, our trip ended. Here's the photo. The very next day I had my general intra moot, which I attended from the airport after losing my wine bottle at check-in, living on the edge as I like it. But overall I had a really fun time in Bangalore.